Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, look, look. There's going to be swearing, smoking, and drinking. If you don't like those things, leave now. My name's Shamari Clark. Here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Hello, everybody. My name's Shamari. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, and we have a great show for you today. Bang! All right. So, yes, we have an interesting one today. So, remember, wow, this is wild. And so, I told you about... We read about it once. I own this, full disclosure. So remember I told you about SingularityNET? Remember they have that AI thing and it talks? Well, look, look, look. They have a major partnership now. 5G network and AI, people. That's coming. That's coming. I don't tell you what to do with your money, but yeesh, having some AI-related crypto probably is not going to hurt your portfolio going forward. All right, bang. And then our brother SEC Chairman Jay Clayton. Yes, he's still complaining, and it's true. Market manipulation, we're going to talk to him. He had a big speech today or something, and we're going to talk to him about, well, we're going to talk about what he talked about. Yes. So, and then bang. So, you guys know the IBM and Stellar thing is coming next week. Well, the guy, Jesse Lund, he talked about it, the VP of blockchain for IBM. Oh, he talked a little bit about it today. And so this story isn't about the partnership. We know the partnership's happening next week. And so when that happens, we'll talk about it. But what I do want to talk about is Jesse Lund is talking about the stable coins. Stable coins. And I told you guys, I know what they're doing. I know what they're flipping doing over there. And I told you, I mean, he doesn't say it. But next week, I'll be proven right. But he does talk about it time. So, bang, we're going to talk a little bit about, it's about the blah, blah, blah. But stable coins is what I want to, is what, I want you to focus on for this story. And I'll obviously emphasize it when we get there. All right, brother. So, yes, let's begin how we usually begin. Yes, we start with a little bit of bang, bang, market overview, bang. Yes, with a refresh. Wait a minute. It's not letting me refresh? What's going on here? Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoa! Oh, shit! Look, 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 brothers. Bang! Bitcoin above 4,000. Bang! Look, look. Look, look, look. Bang! Nice. Nice, brothers. Nice. Now let's see if we can consolidate above here. Oh, look at all the green. Oh, okay. Let's just get into this fucking shit right here. Look, look. Holy. Yo, brothers. Now, let's not get too excited. You just got excited. I know. That's the initial excitement. But I'm a Forex trader. I'm a market killer. I know how to, kill the excitement and just use brain again. I know. That was emotion that you just saw. Now I'm back to my brain. Look, look. If we can consolidate nicely above 4,000 over the weekend and into next week, yes, I told you guys, I think that was the bottom. Get all you can now. Build your foundation of your warehouse now while everything's cheap. Look, look, man, I don't know how about you guys, but all my December stuff, I'm up over 100% on everything already. Yes. And I keep buying right now. And so, yes, this weekend, I will be making more purchases. I know I used to do that whole 30% a month I buy crypto. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm just buying loads of crypto now. There's no more rules like that. That was when the market was going down, so it was like, wow, I don't feel guilty about 30%. But now, bang! Look, look. Holy brothers, hold on, brothers. Let me get set up here. Yes, brothers. Man, all right, guys. Shit, look at everything. Holy, let's get into it. Hold on, just look at this and let me get a sip. Just bang, let me show you the whole screen. Wow, here we go. Here we fucking go. Vladimir said, I want some fucking crypto. Well, here it comes, Vladimir. Oh, yeah. Here it fucking comes, brother. All right, brothers, I'm back. All right, let's do how we do. Let's do this in an orderly, gentlemanly manner. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Stellar, Tether, and bang! Tron. Yes. Oh, and look at this beautiful thing right here. Yes, let's look at the market moves of the day, brothers. Man, single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. That's good enough. That is good enough. That 4,000 right here, this is what I wanted. I've told you guys, I've been saying it for the past few weeks, so it's no secret. As a 19-year trader, I want to see a nice consolidation above 4,000. A nice hard consolidation. I don't give a shit. 2, 3, 4 weeks. Let's go. Let's go. Bang! Holy, brothers. Holy. Man. All right, come on. Let's do this. So, guys, market moves of the day. Low to mid single digits up. Low. Oh, everybody's just green, huh? That's how it's going down around these parts, huh? All right. True, true. Low to mid single digits up. Low to mid single digits. Bang, bang, bang. Up. And with a little red sprinkled in. All right, guys, let's look who lost money today, if anything. Let's see what's on sale, if anything. Bang. All right. Not much of a sale. All right, top 10 losers. Whoops. Hold on, I got to move it down a little bit. All right. Top 10 losers of the day. Wanchain, ABBC Coin, Lisk, Project Pi, Insight Chain, Electroneum, Crypto.com Chain, Crypto.com, Theta, and Aurora. All right, bang. Let's see who made money today. Bang. Yeah. So, okay, so the moves weren't extravagant. They weren't huge, but they were something. Yes, they were something. All right, top 10 winners of the day. Bitcoin Cash, Hollow, Qcoin Shares, Thorcoin, Huobi Token, Repo, Ontology, Litecoin, Ravencoin, and Maker. Bang! Let's see. Oh, let's see this shit here today. Oh, really? Not that? All right. So market cap, $140 billion market cap, 140.7. Wow. For all that green, I thought it would have been a way bigger. I'm not going to lie. I was kind of hoping maybe it would be like 40 billion market. Yeah. All right. Settle down, Shamari. Settle down. All right, so 35 billion. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we were at 30 yesterday, so we just did a 5 billion jump from yesterday to today. So actually, that is a significant jump. My bad. I thought we had, anyways, wrong number. So bang, 35 billion. All right, let's go to our first story. Boom. Altcoin news. So guys, I told you I'm invested in this, and so SingularityNET. I'll tell you what it is. They're doing some other stuff, but what I learned about, so I'll tell you about when I learned about it. So I learned about this in 2017. I told you guys about my buddy Nikos, this Greek guy, and from Greece, and fuck, he used to just preach this stuff to me. And it's for artificial intelligence, and I know 5G is coming, and I know artificial intelligence is going to be huge. So actually, I've got, I don't know, I don't even know. I have to look at it, but. Like my buddy Nikos, he's got like 10 million of these coins. Like when I bought them, they were like 0.0000001, like some crazy, you know what I mean? It was stupid. But the reason I bought it, well, why'd you buy it like that? I thought you only buy working product. I do only buy working product. The reason I bought it was they have a video. If you go on the website, yeah, they have an artificial intelligence in the computer, but they have a robot that speaks what the artificial intelligence from the computer is thinking. Yeah, and it learns. Yeah, man. Yo, it's spooky. Like, I'll tell you something. I'm not some crazy ass, conspiracy fucking weirdo, but I'll tell you, if there were to be a Terminator project, like, the movie Terminator, that, there was a project that started out innocently and it turned into some machine, human murdering machine. This thing is probably it. This is probably it, man. And what they're really going to do is they want to have this network, this SingularityNET. Yeah, and all these companies can put their AI on it. But the AIs are going to be able to talk to each other and teach each other stuff and become sort of like this global brain. Look, brothers. It's spooky a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm investing because I know the money is going to come out of this, but what this fucker is doing, he's a spooky guy. And I'll show you, he's on Joe Rogan. I'll show you his name in a second. He was on Joe Rogan. So here in America, we got this guy, Joe Rogan. You know, that if you're into UFC or WWE, what do you call that? That kind of shit. He does the announcing. Yeah. Well, he has a podcast, and it goes on YouTube. Yes, this guy, the CEO of this, is on YouTube with him for like 3 hours. He's a pretty wild dude, buddy. He's a wild dude, brother. So look. But so that is me giving you a little overview of SingularityNET. But the point isn't about SingularityNET. It's about the story we're about to read. SingularityNET just partnered with a $217 billion insurance company to do their AI. Yeah, the biggest insurance company in what? No, not in America. In where? No, not China. Where? Earth. The biggest company on Earth. And that's why I bring it up. You guys know I'm all about partnerships. I tell you guys, working product that have clients. You have to have clients. If no one's using your shit, well, what the fuck? Then you just have a blockchain that you says can do stuff, but no clients using it. You know? So look at this. So bang. All right. So I gave you the SingularityNET overview. That's the true nature of what they want to do. But now we're going to read about, though, what, multiple use cases. So that one use case I told you about is how I learned about it. They want to have this global brain of AIs teaching each other. Artificial intelligence is teaching each other. That's their true nature. That's the scary part. But here's another use case, and it's for insurance. So, bang! Let's read about something that's not going to, kill us with a Terminator robot. All right. SingularityNET has signed a partnership deal with the what? World's largest and most valuable insurance company. Bang! Partnerships, buddies. What I tell you about when these guys get here, when the institutional investors get here and see that, what do you think they're going to fucking buy? That's the world's largest, son. Hold on, man. I'm going to get fueled. You marinate on that. Marinate on that. What are they going to buy when they get here? The world's largest. Not Europe's, not Russia's, not China's, not America's. The world's. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm going to be upping my sing. I just saw this a few hours ago. I'm not going to bullshit you. I told you guys already. I admitted it to you. I told you I own SingularityNET. I must have about 1 million of them or something. Lots. Like, it was like fractions of a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a penny when I bought it. I got to go look, but I'm going to get way more right now this weekend. Actually, this weekend I'm going on a buying spree. Stellar with the IBM announcement coming out next week, and SingularityNET. Actually, we're going to talk about this IBM thing right now, but we're not going to talk about the partnership. We're really going to talk about the stablecoin revolution. It's a revolution, it sounds like. Watch this. In America, there used to be over 500 currencies here in America. Yes, brothers. We're going to talk about that when we get there. All right. Let's stick with SingularityNET, though. All right. Let me, the money, it's just flowing right now. The juices. Yes, brothers. Get yourself some SingularityNET. So, bang, the world's largest and most valuable insurance company. The partnership involves the intention to collaborate on artificial intelligence, but is open to several other fronts in the future. Yeah, whatever use case we can use this for. This thing talks. It learns, man. Their AI, it learns. It's spooky, man. You see the people, like they sit it. It's just an upper body, right? It's a lady's head with an upper body. And it sits on a chair in a room. Yeah, when you walk in the room, it's like, oh, hey, buddy. Yeah. Is the temperature warm enough for you in here? I know you're a human. You guys usually like it about 68 degrees. Like, it'll talk. Fuck sticks. Go see that, man. It's spooky, man. I love it, though. It's going to make money. And that's what I like it for, money. But it's going to be fucked up if I Maybe one day I make $1 million off of SingularityNet, but then one of their Singularity Terminators kills my mom or something one day. All right, brothers. Look, the announcement. I'm just kidding, obviously. The announcement stated that SingularityNet would provide all the ingredients that are necessary for successful AI applications, including algorithms, data, computer power, and human understanding of the problem domain. See, that's that thing they're saying. I think that's what they're saying. They're going to make these AIs learn, man. I'm telling you guys. Well, they tell us. I'll show you the guy's name. Oh, here it is right here. The two companies said they would pool their resources in the 4 areas together with the aim of achieving great things. Commenting about the development, SingularityNet's Dr. Ben Kotzel said, the scale of Ping An provides considerable opportunities to showcase the benefits of AI application. We're currently discussing how to integrate SingularityNet infrastructure with Ping An's IT infrastructure to analyze the different types of data available. Now, look, this is the guy, Dr. Ben Kotzel. He's a PhD. Like, he's a super brain. So go to Joe Rogan or just whatever. Just Google, go on YouTube and Google or in YouTube it, whatever. You know what I mean? Search Joe Rogan, Dr. Ben Kotzel. And this guy talks with Joe Rogan for like 3 hours. He's got like some crazy hat on. He's got long hair. He's all fucked up looking. He looks like he's crazy. But look, man, when you've got a brain like that, you can look however you want, right? People love you for your brain, not your looks. And so, this guy's got a big old brain. Beesh. And you should hear the stuff he talks about with AI. Ugh. He's not fucking playing games. And apparently, he's really not fucking playing games because what? He just partnered with what? The world's largest and most valuable insurance company. And that's insurance. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, man. So, blah, blah, blah. You can, if you're into techie, BBB, you can read that. Now, the successful implementation of this phase of the project would open ways for further collaboration between the two partners in several other industries. In other industries, use cases, Ping An, which boasts $217 billion in market capitalization, American dollars, is taking advantage of being a first mover in mobile apps to create a niche in other areas that include insurance, banking, financial services, healthcare, real estate, and so on. Oh, so they're going to try to move this AI into all of this. Okay. The press release elaborated, well, maybe not, I don't know. But we are confident that our collaboration will amplify the reach and competitiveness of Ping An while increasing the diversity and richness of our decentralized network. Our successful collaboration will help guide other enterprises towards utilizing our platform and will be marked as an important milestone in the movement to democratize AI. All right. Just make sure they don't create any Terminators. Now, all right, so here's a little something about SingularityNet. I already told you guys, but anyway, I'll give you the textbook version. SingularityNet is a full-stack AI solutions provider that runs a decentralized platform that allows users to create, share, and deploy AI services at their scale. That's what I'm telling you about. Yeah, man. You can put your AI on it, but their AI, the main one they have, it has a name. I don't remember the name of it. It's like Sheila or Angie or something like that. It's a female name, right? It learns from all the other AIs. It's going to become like some super brain, man. Look. I love it, though. I'm going to make money. And look. If she turns angry at us, at the humans, if she turns on her masters, I should have made enough money from it where I can buy an island and get the fuck out of here safely. I'm just kidding, guys. You know I'm kidding, right? Don't believe it. I'm just joking, man. I'm not some crazy-ass conspiracy fuck like that. So at the core of the company is to offer an intelligent fabric for AI algorithms. Oh, it says it right here, to talk to each other with the aim of creating a commercial marketplace for high-level AI solutions across the markets. Commercial marketplace. That's not what he says. Go watch the Joe Rogan thing. He wants it to learn. This commercial shit that they said right here, this website, yeah. It'll help commercial products and all that. But that's not what this guy, what's the guy's name? I just showed you. Gortzel? Where's this guy? Ben Gortzel. Nah, that's not what he's talking about. That's what these investors will probably make it do. But he wants his shit to learn. Yeah. Yo. So the founders of SingularityNET aim to create, down here now at the bottom, an open source and decentralized protocol that no single individual, institution, or government can dominate, as the AI protocol is becoming increasingly more intelligent. Oh, it does say it. See? Yeah. I'm telling you. Look. The project is made up of some of the best minds in blockchain and machine learning. Machine learning. That's what they talk about in the video. Go to SingularityNET website. Yeah, they have the robot talking right there. Look. To democratize access. You want to unleash a fucking AI on us. That's what his shit is. It's his baby, his girl. Yes, he wants her to learn everything. Look, all this bullshit about commercial marketplaces and this shit they're doing with this insurance company, I mean, that's huge. It's the world's biggest, which is what the story is about. But I want to tell you the truth. This guy, what's his name? Ben Gortzel. He wants his AI to learn and know all. Yeah. He wants it to learn from all the AIs and know all. Anyway, man, guys, that's the truth. Like, you guys know me. I don't blow sunshine up anyone's ass, and I'm not a conspiracy fuck. He says it. Straight up. Yeah. I'm here for the money. Straight cash, homie. But I do like the AI thing. And so, guys, now let's get back to what we're talking about, though. We're talking about making money around these parts. And look, go get you some SingularityNET. Here comes the 5G network. Bang, bang, bang. And look. The computing power is about to become powerful enough to handle all this kind of stuff right here. Yep, all this AI, all this Internet of Things, all the devices, Internet of Things devices. Look. Here comes 5G. Here comes the revolution. So, bang. All right, brothers. Well, I just wanted to keep you updated. So this is an update story. This is our boy Jay Clayton. Whoops, that just sprayed all over me. And he is the chairman of the SEC here in America. And so Chairman Clayton, Jay Clayton, still on the fence, citing ease of market manipulation, and that's the problem. And so I just wanted to keep you updated in that he's still talking about market manipulation. Remember last year, it was terrorist financing, money laundering, and market manipulation. No one's talking about the terrorist financing. No one's talking about the market manipulation anymore. About the money laundering anymore. We have one last issue before we can get some ETFs and some stuff going on up in here. Proper funds being made. Bye. Yes, one last issue. I had to take a quick look. Market manipulation, brothers. Man, until they solve that problem. And I hope that NASDAQ thing will solve that problem, man. But here's Jay Clayton. He said this just the other day. Or was it yesterday? Anyway, listen. The chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Jay Clayton. But remember, Jay Clayton's a good guy. Remember last year? If you've been around here, we know about Jay. Jay said, look, we want to have a light touch. Yes. Remember he said the light touch? They want to have a light touch. But they want it to be honest. You know what I mean? So as long as they can get it honest, have at it, boys. We're not going to add any more too much stuff to you. But it's got to be honest. Can't have people being ripped off. People are going to lose their money. Sure, if they make a bad trade, they make a bad investment. That's on them. But they're going to know that they lost their money because of their own bad choice. Not because, some guys messed with the money, manipulated it, or straight robbed them or something. All right, so guys, look. All right. The chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Jay Clayton, is still on the fence about the hotly anticipated Bitcoin ETF, citing a list of conditions that should be met prior to its approval. In a recent interview with Fox Business, Clayton stated that his concern with giving the green light to public trading of Bitcoin was the digital asset's vulnerability to manipulation. Citing the volatility of the coin, the chairman wanted to ensure investors were kept safe, exactly, from untoward market movements. Look, we're not going to guarantee you make money, but you're not going to lose your money because someone did some sneakiness. You know what I mean? I lose trades all the time, but yeah, well, I made a wrong choice, right? But no one did anything to me. Clayton stated, "What I'm concerned about at the moment is if it can be reasonably demonstrated that the underlying trading is generally not manipulated." That's all they care about. It's happening on reliable venues with good rules, and that custody is something we can feel comfortable about. So that's what they want. They want it to not be manipulated. They want it to be on reliable venues and have good custody. The SEC is looking at proposals from several companies regarding the ETF. Last year, Clayton rejected one of these from Genesis Exchange founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. So I tell you guys, how do you know we're going to get rich, Shamari? Well, because little billionaire rich kids like this don't spend millions and millions of dollars over and over and over again applying to be an ETF if they don't know there's money coming. Yeah, their rich buddies are telling them they want it. They're like, all right, we'll go get it for you. We'll make it for you. It's Van Eck, an investment firm. Oh, and here's another one. Van Eck, an investment firm, and investment firm SolidX. They were together. A financial services company and the Chicago Board of Options Exchange. Oh, speaking of which, all right, we'll tell you that in a second. Still awaited a decision on their bid for a Bitcoin ETF, for the Bitcoin ETF, which was filed back in January. Of course, that got delayed thanks to Donald Trump's fucking government shutdown. The crypto-centric financial firm Bitwise Asset Management had also sent their application for the ETF in February. Bang. So that's what I'm saying, man. Next month, we should maybe have some announcements, man. I hope. Wait a minute. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Oh, there we go. The chairman clarified that he hadn't decided which company will spearhead the ETF project. What? Oh, nor did he opine whether any of the applications satisfied the rules of the issuance. In other words, did they satisfy the money laundering, the market manipulation, and the anti-terror laws? However, the SEC will make a decision regarding the Bitcoin ETF in the coming months. Bang! Yes, that's what we need. Like I told you guys, it's a copycat world. It's a copycat world. The day the first fund gets regulated, approved, bang! Here come the 401ks. Here come the retirement funds. Here come the college saving funds. Right, as long as you meet that criteria, all right, here's no market manipulation. Here's no anti-money laundering, money laundering, sorry. Here's no money laundering. Here's anti-terror. Bang! Yeah, you can create whatever fund you want. Copycat world. And that's what we're waiting for, the first one. And like we know, like I told you guys, the SEC is the hardest, strictest, financial regulator in the world. Right? They don't just let you do anything, right? They don't give a fuck. You can't bribe them. You can't, they don't give a shit about if you're a whale or whatever like that. They're huge. It's America. And so that's the beauty is once the SEC does come out with an ETF or approves an ETF, they're not coming out with one, my bad. Once they approve one that someone comes out with, every country in the world is going to use that same standard. Bang! And that's when we're going to see, boom. 3 months, let me tell you something, 3 to 4 months, 3 to 6 months from the first ETF being approved, you better buckle yourself in, buddy. Bang! That's to the moon. Bang! Oh my gosh, brothers. That's how it's going to go down. That's how it's going to go down. So, blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah. And so let me say this. And so, it pushed, because of that fucking government shutdown, the Trump shutdown, we got our shit pushed back a little bit, right? The applications pushed back to the SEC. Like I said, brothers, once one's approved, bang. And I think next month, I told you guys, remember this? I tried to remind you guys, remember about the 8 applications that were denied? Yeah, but then they went for reevaluation. That should be coming up in April. The Van Eck, and we just read about the Winklevoss. Oh, sorry, the Van Eck has to start over again. That started over in February, so February, March, April. Oh, it could be coming out in April. So April's going to be, I think next month is going to be a big thing for us guys in terms of issuance or denials of funds and stuff like that. Pivotal moment, brothers. All right, so let's just move on, though. Okay. Despite the chairman's uneasiness with approving the cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund, he hailed the technology behind Bitcoin. Of course, they all love blockchain. They're not so favorable of crypto. I think this technology has and is already demonstrating pretty significant promise. But it's demonstrating significant promise in the places where it's consistent with our approach to capital raising in the past. Bang! All right, so that's what he's saying. We still need to get around the market manipulation project problem. But we should get around there soon. Should get around there soon, boys. I mean, we read about it, right? The NASDAQ said we're going to monitor every single crypto exchange for our price discovery. Like, if you're not going to give approval after that, well, then there is no approval. Then you're just saying you're not going to approve anything. You can't have better price discovery. Well, all right, that's not maybe true. You could just use the Van Eck price and the Gemini price because they're using the NASDAQ software or the chain analysis software. Anyway, man, we'll see. We'll see. But look, it's all coming. Watch for April, brothers. Bang! Here we go. So, yes, Ripple lovers. Fuck Ripple lovers. Stellar lovers. Stellar the standard. XLM the standard. Bang! That's the new word because it's about to be next week. XLM the standard. Bang, did it, bang, 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 bang. Yes, brothers. We have a new standard coming out. It's called Stellar. Yes. Cross-border banking networks with IBM. And look. Oh, this shit's about to be big. About to be huge. And so the reason I bring this up, though, we already know that Stellar, we already know the thing, right? We already read about it. Stellar's going to be the platform. All these stable coins are going to run over it. And then that's how the banks are going to, do their Novos and Vostro accounts to each other, do money transfers to each other in replacing the Novos and Vostro accounts. And so we already know that. So that's not what the story is about, but the story is about stable coins, really. That's why I'm bringing it up in that. And so Ripple lovers, bang. No one needs your fucking shit. That's owned by 60% owned by Ripple. For what? I'm a bank. I'll just make my own stable coin. Send money that way. Bang. So you've just been made obsolete. Right? XRPs are obsolete. Banks are just going to make their own coin to move money around. Move money around. Yeah. Ah. Pretty wild, huh? Use your XRP for what? I'll just make a stable coin. And so I know I've told you this, guys. I told you guys this story all year. 10x. I loved 10x. Right? They were going to have a debit card. Right? And all the crypto, all you guys could waste your crypto on buying coffees and hamburgers and whatnot. Like I told you, I'm never going to do that, but I know enough of you will. That was going to make money at 10x. But then they had all these problems, right? They partnered with one company. They were going to do the debit card with Visa. So they partnered with one company, though, and Visa was like, nah, if you keep those as a partner, we're going to leave you. We're not going to. Something was wrong. That company was some sort of scam or something. And Visa was like, nah, we're not going to do it with them. And so 10x had to go find another partner, all this shit. Meanwhile, over in Europe, the UK. Oh, and I have stories today about the UK. A brand new thing. Hold on. All right, hold on. Let's just stay on topic. And, yeah, man. And so all these other companies came out with debit cards. And so it's like, all right, well, 10x isn't special anymore, right? It's obsolete now. So I sold it, right? I was like, fuck. I loved it when I first bought that shit, right? I loved it so much. I was like, oh, it's amazing. Of course, all these listening to you guys, mass adoption. Well, there is no mass adoption unless you get a card to slide through the point of sale device, right? So I was like, perfect. Man, I had a lot. I might have had like 10 G's worth of that shit. 7 to 10 or something like that. I was like, here it is. Yeah, but then they screwed up, and so I sold it because it's obsolete now. So Ripple lovers, you have to ask yourself, with all these banks coming out with their own stable coins, how viable is XRP? How viable are those XRP tokens? I think you've just been made obsolete. I think those XRPs have just been made obsolete. Don't need them. Don't fucking need them. Sure, if I want to use them, I could. But why? I can have my own stable coin. It's been made obsolete. So, but bang. And it's been made obsolete by stable coins. Stable coins attacked the market last September. And man, and that's the other thing I want to. All right, so fuck talking to Ripple lovers. Now let me talk to everybody, though, properly. Look. So remember, we read about IBM, this guy, Jesse Lund. He told us. Do you know, I'm going to tell you something. Jesse Lund, remember the video that I posted when he talked to the guy at that conference? What was that? Like 3 weeks ago? He wasn't supposed to tell what the plan was. And he told about the 50 countries that they're going to be in, 40 banks that they're going to have, dozens of liquidity providers. But what was the one thing he said? And I remember I brought it up. He said 20 stable coins are going to come online. What did I say to you? No, my bad. No, he didn't say stable coin. He just said coins. And I told you, what did I say? I think these motherfuckers are back there secretly building stable coins with banks right now. Remember I told you guys? That's probably why JP Morgan came out with theirs, announced it, even though it's not even doing much. It's within their own thing, right? It's not used for outside transfers. It's within the JP Morgan ecosystem. But I think JP Morgan did that to take thunder from what's about to be announced. I think next week, 20 coins. I think that there are 20 banks out there have been building stable coins on the sly. And they're about to all release them at the big announcement with IBM next week. Watch. And listen to this. All right, so let's get to it. Fuck, that was 20 minutes of talking and no reading. All right, brothers, let's go. According to the head of IBM Blockchain Development Solutions, Jesse Lund, this tech giant company is ready to announce its worldwide wire platform. It's called WorldWire, actually. The platform will be using the Stellar protocol in order to power cross-border payments. Bang! XLM the standard. The head of IBM, bang! IBM Blockchain, Jesse Lund, explained in a report that banks are... okay, let's get away from the Stellar part. Let's get to the stablecoin part. He said that the banks are very interested in the utilization of stablecoins, which are a form of cryptocurrencies that are designed to maintain stable prices between fiat currency measurements. Bang! Let me tell you something. Here in America, do you know that a few hundred years ago, there used to be over 500 different currencies in America? Yep, Google that. Google that. There used to be over 500 currencies in America. Before there was the American dollar, the greenback. Well, I'm not air quoting. Before there was the greenback, there used to be hundreds of currencies. Do you know that, so back in the days, railroads were the big industry. They used to issue their own money. They'd pay their customers, their employees in railroad money. Yes, brothers, look it up if you think I'm lying. That's what's happening. All these banks, they're creating a new sort of thing. They're going to have stablecoin is going to be its own world. And then, fiat is going to rule, but all of them will be related to fiat. And so they're each going to just have their own currency. You'll see, it's happening. You just saw JP Morgan, fucksticks. Look, this is in order to move money more effectively across the world and not really focused on future growth. What? Anyway, that was stupid. Compared to traditional money moving around on legacy systems, this strategy gets rid of the need for, and this is the problem, a lot of people are going to go out of work, for clearinghouses together with various intermediaries. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that goes through. My buddy told me, I told you, got my friend Marco. He's the internet, he's a network, he sets up networks for banks and entertainment companies and shit like that. And he told me about the seriousness, all this shit you got to go through to send money. Together with various... This means that these cryptocurrency payments can be settled much faster and more cheaply. A statement from the company stated, "We're really feeling excited that we're on a roll to building something new and revolutionary that's really going to change the landscape of cross-border payments. Bang! Jesse also stated that I can confirm. He said, I can confirm. Good as done, baby. That we're going to be talking about more than a few banks around the world. He said 20 in that interview, who are very interested and see tremendous business benefits to issue stable bumbleclot coins. Fuck your XRPs. No one's using that. We're going to use stable coins. That's going to be the money transfer thing of the world. Stable coins are the money transfer thing of the world. Bang! Stellar is going to be a platform that you transfer money over. And R3, yes, the R3 thing. That's also, the R3 guys said they're going to add a lot of stable coins to their thing too. Bang! In their native fiat currency. And that only creates a better ecosystem for participants on the WorldWire network. Exactly, it's called WorldWire. All right. These tech giants have been trying to appeal to mobile users on the move for a long time now. IBM is not the only incumbent trying to harness these emerging market solutions in order to revolutionize the banking industry. All right, so here's a little. All right, so blah blah blah. We all know about JP Morgan coin, but this is what, and then blah 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 blah. We all know JP Morgan said that eventually they want it, maybe could be used by the consumer one day, right? So we all read that, so we're not going to get into that. All right, back to the IBM thing though. IBM was asked on how different the IBM WorldWire would be from the JP Morgan coin. And they outlined that one of the key distinctions between JP Morgan's model of exclusion and IBM's model will be, and I'll just tell you this right now, the JP Morgan coin, it's on a private permissioned network, right? And the reason that IBM chose Stellar, I mean, the guy said it in the video, if you watched it when I pinned it, but I'll just say for those who didn't get to see it, if you're new, IBM chose Stellar because they're going to be on a public permission network. So all transactions will be able to be seen by the participants, but no bad actors are going to be able to be on that network and create any shenanigans. All right. That's the Shamari way of saying it. It's not a well, not a Shamari way. That's what the guy said, but that's not what he says here, but I want to tell you. It's not a proprietary solution like JPM's coins solution, although I think what they're doing makes a lot of sense for them. What JPM is doing also, I think, adds tremendous validation. What did I tell? Bang! Holy. Tremendous validation, brothers. Yeah. When soccer mom and soccer dad hear about crypto, and they hear that JP Morgan has a fucking crypto, they're going to be like, oh, this is real shit. Like I told you, the little kids, you know, soccer mom and dad, when their son in college with the nose rings and the green hair was like, hey, mom, buy some Bitcoin. They were like, listen, Johnny, just go to school, right? They know he's a fucking idiot. Yeah, when they see JP Morgan come out, bang, with a crypto, like, bang, they take another look. Yes, they grab the binoculars and what? Oh, validation, baby. Validation to what we're doing. Well, he's saying validation to what they're doing, the IBM guys. But I'm saying what I'm telling you is this brings validation globally to the world. Soccer mom and dad, the investors out there. Yo, you respect JP Morgan, the 4th largest bank on earth? Well, all right. Crypto ain't so bad then, is it? Do you see what I'm saying, guys? Right? That kind of, you know, you get it, right? All right. So, but this guy, Jesse Lund, he keeps saying, but he continues to say, but our view, WorldWire seeks to do is provide fungibility of digital assets across financial institutions. Exactly. And so JP Morgan's thing is the coin. WorldWire is not a coin. It's the highway that the coins are going to travel on, right? So, and I told you guys this, we've talked about this. Stellar, yeah, they have the XLM. That's a coin you can use to transfer money. IBM's not just using their coin. They're using the whole platform. Stellar is the backbone of to transfer all this money. So all these banks, they're going to have their own stable coins. They're going to move their stable coins over the Stellar network. Yeah, we're going to take over Swift. Well, Stellar's about to do that, right? Anything. Yeah, move your XRPs, you little bitches, over the Stellar network too. Bang! Look. So I think that's really going to be the game changer in the future. Yes. Lund, and so here we go. Lund and Jed McCaleb, the co-founder of Stellar, will be giving a presentation on digital assets and banking at the upcoming Money 2020 conference in Singapore on March the 19th. Now, when's that? Let me look at the date. Let me look at when that is. March 19th is next Tuesday. Look at your sons of bitches. Next week, I'm going to have some real good news. Get your Stellars, boys. Get your Stellars. If you really care, I mean, if you really believe, let's get real. This blockchain thing for banking is going to be huge. Huge. Yeah, Stellar's about to rip it up, tear it up. And they got IBM bringing them along. You know what I mean? They're not like Garlinghouse begging some banks to use it. Let me tell you something. American Express just discontinued use of what do you call that thing? RippleNet. Yep. Santander are getting problems using RippleNet sending money right now between London and Spain. Yep. Banks don't want to deal with anything, some fucking token that some other company uses and that's not working. They're going to make their own stable coins and get her done. And I'm telling you, I think IBM has been working behind the scenes with banks. He said 20 banks. Remember, we watched the video. He said, we're going to come out with 20 banks. Or no, 20 stable coin. Or no, he didn't say stable coins. I'm lying. Let me calm down. Yo, I'm so excited. 20 coins. And now Shamari is saying, Shamari thinks IBM has been working with 20 banks to create stable coins based on their currencies, their country's fiat. We'll see next week. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting for the blockchain world, for the banking world, legitimacy to the banking. Like, banking is something that, bang, all these institutional investors look at. They're part of it. They are the infrastructure, right? So when they hear their buddies at and that's what we got to, hold on. So when they hear their buddies at so-and-so bank are using this thing called Stellar or that network, or what is it called, the WorldWire, when they hear their buddies using WorldWire, yeah, crypto's for real. Do you see what I'm saying? And let me tell you something. I am so excited. I'm so excited to hear which banks. Jesse Lund, he said 40 to 50 banks are already on board to use it. Next week, I want to see that list. Yep, I want to see that list. Holy brothers, look. All right. That's good enough. Fuck it. Is there any more? IBM will be making an exclusive product announcement during the event. Well, we already know. He already told us he's going to tell us that, so we already know. Yeah, that's the Stellar thing. That's the WorldWire event. Brothers, if you really believe, if you really know, and we do know, banking is going blockchain, bang, and IBM is going to bring it to them nice and rough, nice and hard. Guys, get your Stellars. Brothers, get your Stellars. Excellent the standard. But let's get you back to your wives and lives. Shill it and kill it. Let's go. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. Bang. Yep. Oh, what's this? Oh, all right. Let's say hello to everyone first. Oh, right. Look at this. Hold on. We'll get there when we get there. First, let's bang everybody. Radster. What is wrong with my... Bang. See you, brother. Biniam. Gizai. Bang. See you, brother. Troy. See you, brother. Bang. Bitcoin Kong. Yes. He always got the images. He's always got those GIFs and shit. Bang. Yes. Dino Zankovic. That's my new brother from the Netherlands. Bang. He told that son of a bitch. Yes. And there's the son of a bitch right here. Bang, you son of a bitch. Ron Kess, I love you. Bang. Yo. Bang. Look. Bang. That's how he rolls. These guys are brothers from the Netherlands. So those are our brothers over in the European Union. Bang. And I'm going to show you something that his brother Dino said. Maraltas. Bang. All right. Binyan Gemi. So here's an article. Bang, bang. I gave it the good old like. Ecological Alliance. So we already know that VeChain is, DNVGL is already a customer of VeChain's. Well, apparently they're about to do some other stuff. I didn't read it yet, actually, so I can't tell you what it is. I should have read it before I fucking started the show, and then I could have said something. Anyways, guys, go here, go to my thing. Bang. Yes, brother. Thank you. Oh, Troy was the new subscriber. Bang. What's this shit, Bitcoin? So this is what I'm telling you. Bang, Bitcoin Kong again. You got 2 bangs. Look. That's stupid. She's an ugly old lady. Come on. All right, guys, let's keep going. Justin's son, soul brother, number 1. All right. Tron lover. Oh, no, he's more than that. He's got a bunch. Oh, what's he got? He's got Tron. Yes. BTT. Yes. Bitcoin. Yes. Litecoin. Bang. Oh, VeChain. Bang. Neo. Bang. Yes, I don't know what hot is, but apparently this guy's a good enough investor. I'm sure hot's a good thing. So, bang. Yes, Justin Sun, brother number 1. See you, brother. Bang. What we got? Oh, there's his buddy Dino. All right, what do you got? Hold on, let's go. Crypto Times. Bang. Radster. Who else we got? Micro Bitcoin. Bang. Oh, and so this is what I want to show you. All right, so hold on. Because these guys, these Netherlands boys, they're all about that money, baby. Yes, I like these boys from the Netherlands. They're all about that straight cash, homie. So watch this. This is what Dino sent. This is the picture or the meme. Look at this. Bang into the cash. Bang. Yes. That's what we're about to do, brothers. That's what's coming. Bang. You're just going to dive in. Bang with your tsunami of money. Bang and have a good old time, brothers. That's what's going down. I told him. That says it all. What else is there to say, motherfucker? One of these, one more last time. Bang! That's how we're going to run, brothers. Yes, brothers. That's how it's going down around these parts. That's how it's going to go down around these parts. Oh, who do we got? DP Entertainment. Bang! Hurricane Master. Bang! Headwind. Bang! Yes, but I wanted to show you. Oh, here it is. Here it is. And this is what the guy sent as well. Look at this picture. Look at Dino. Look at this tsunami of money. Yes. And Dino sent something. So he was like, hey, why don't we go have a party in Jamaica when we make the millions? I was like, nah. Because actually, I have family in Jamaica. I mean, we own land. We have a lot of land in Jamaica. But my family are just regular people, you know. They don't have yachts and planes and stuff like that. They just, you know, they're just normal. And, you know, and so, but here in Florida, I got dudes with yachts, mansions, boats, planes. Like, we're going to do a lot of crazy stuff next year in the December 2020 party. And so he said to call the December 2020 party, bang, hashtag NoahFest. Bang, that's the name of our party. And here's the tsunami of money, man. Dino, brother. Bang, Dino Jankovic. Bang, brother. That's awesome. That is so awesome. NoahFest. Well, look at, here's our tsunami. Bang. That's exactly what I'm looking at. Bang, when I look over there. That's exactly what I see. Look at the piles of cash. Dino, brother. That's awesome. You made my day with those, with your memes and stuff. That was a good fun today. All right. Oh, and here it is again. Let's just look at it. Bang. Look. Bang. That's how we're going to have it. Look. Bang. And there's the NoahFest right there. Bang. All right. All right, guys. Let's get you back to your wives' lives. All right. Shmore enough, man. All right, brothers. Look. Stop complaining. Settle down. Look, brothers. Look, let's chill it and kill it. Bang. Oh, no, not yet. Oh, yes. So, guys, SingularityNet. So, we had a great show today. Yeah, SingularityNet. That's some good shit right there. I'm telling you. I know they're talking. All right, I don't want to get any conspiracy talk. But I'm telling you the real story of what that SingularityNet guy wants. He talks about it in Joe Rogan. He wants the AIs to talk, to learn from each other. All right. But, bang, SingularityNet, major partnership. The #1 insurance company on Earth. So look, you know what we talk about around these parts? invest in products. First, invest in working products, and with major partnerships. I call them clients. Major clients. All right. Bang. Jay Clayton says, well, he's still not up for the ETF because there's a little market manipulation. Yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see if they, we'll see how that goes. And then bang, the banking thing with IBM and Stellar, but more importantly, stable coins. And more importantly, like I told you, here in America, there used to be over 500 currencies in America before the American dollar came out. Google that. Look at that up. The history of money in America. Google that. The history of money in America. It's fucking wild. Yeah, companies used to have their own money. So you just have to trust. Fuck, man. It was stupid. It was stupid. And so that's why I really bring it up. But bang, also I bring it up because, well, we're about to get back to that. All the banks are about to make their own stable coins. But more importantly, guys, buy your Stellars. Buy your Stellars, because Stellar is not just some little fucking token that's going to be moved around. It's the platform you're going to move those fucking little tokens around on. Bang! All right, we'll get to that next week when we get there, brother. So let's chill and kill it. Bang! Subscribe below. Press the bell so you get the automatic notification of when I do these. And look. It's my favorite time of the day. I love doing this for you. I'm a 19-year investor. I love money. I love the whole infrastructure and all of it. It's interesting. It's amazing. So, guys, I'm here and I'm doing this daily for you. So, guys, I'll see you after the weekend. I'll see you on Tuesday night. Guys, I love doing this for you. Shamar Clark. Bang. And for you, I am always on duty, my worker bees. Bang. Yes, it's our turn now. Bang. Over and out.